In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Drive storage full problem with a step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Let's dive right in. First, let's get an overview of how your storage is being utilized. You'll want to visit Google One Storage, where you can see how your space is divided among Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. This initial step is crucial as it helps you pinpoint where the bulk of your storage is being used. Knowing this will guide you in effectively freeing up space. Now, it's time to tackle the trash in your Google Drive. Starting on the web version of Google Drive, look to the left panel and click on the trash option. Once you're there, head over to the top right of the screen and click on empty trash. This simple action is also necessary on mobile. Tap on the menu icon, then go to trash and select empty trash. Remember, files in trash still take up storage space until they are permanently deleted, so don't skip this step. Our next focus is on getting rid of large files within Google Drive. Head over to the Storage tab on the left sidebar of Google Drive. Once there, sort your files by size. It's here you'll find unnecessary large files, perhaps old videos or backups that you can delete. Once that's done, make sure you empty the trash again. Let's not forget about Gmail, which can also accumulate a lot of data. In Gmail, perform a search using has attachment larger tatai 10 MB to find emails with large attachments, or older than 2Y to locate dated emails. Go through the results and delete what you no longer need. Additionally, clearing out the spam and trash folders will help reclaim more space. Moving on to Google Photos, open the app and begin by deleting any blurry, duplicate, or unnecessary photos and videos. In Settings, switch your backup quality to Storage Saver to compress your files and save space. Don't forget to empty the trash here as well, since Photos remains in trash for 30 days if not emptied. Finally, let's address hidden data and app-related storage. Navigate to Google Drive Backups. From here, delete old device backups, like those from devices you no longer use. It's also worth checking for hidden app data. Some apps store data in Drive, which you can manage and potentially remove by going to Settings and then Manage Apps. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to resolving your Google Drive storage full issues efficiently. As always, remember to check these areas regularly to keep your storage under control. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.